Good morning, my britches. It is Britmas Day 11, and today is Shannon's birthday. So if you guys haven't wished him a happy birthday yet, make sure you do. I feel like I got an eyelash in my eye. I just dropped my camera, so I thought for sure that Vlogmas was gonna be a fail, but it's still working, so we're good here. But in today's video, we're going to do the Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box, because I just got that yesterday, and then I just got a little surprise in the mail now. We got the December Boxy Lux, so I will cover this in tomorrow's video. Don't mind our messy ass bed right now. Our whole house is a disaster if you haven't been following along with Britmas. Like, we're going through a huge remodel right now, so everything is a shitstorm right now. So the Boxy Lux will be tomorrow. We're going to do Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box today. I probably could do them both in one day, but I figure we'll split it up and do 2 different days, because I don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow either, because it's my last day off, so I know I have a lot of editing and stuff to do. That's what I've been doing all morning, is editing and stuff like that. So we're going to do like my normal morning routine. Get up, pre-workout, workout, post-workout, shower, and then get started with the day. So if you guys wanna skip right to the unboxing, I will leave a timestamp in the description box. So let's just get started with the day. I don't wanna work out today. I don't wanna work out today. Woke up so unmotivated and so fucking bloated today. So I have no ambition to do this right now, but it's booty day. Gotta get those booty gains. Booty day done. That's my favorite workout, because I don't think I've ever worked my ass that much ever in my entire life, so I really like booty day. And now it's time to drink my post-workout, get in the shower, and get ready for dinner. Didn't you just say yesterday, why are you always in bed?
Eat me.
Happy birthday, lover. Alright, so I just have you guys set up on my vlog camera because I'm going to sit down and film myself getting ready in a second. But I wanted to do my Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box unboxing before I did my makeup. That way if I wanted to use anything I could. So I ended up getting the premium box, which was $30. There was also a deluxe box and an ultimate box. The deluxe box was $80, and then the ultimate box was $175. So I really wanted to do the ultimate box because I felt like you were gonna get such good products in that box. But at this time of year, like Black Friday and everything, I'm doing a lot of Christmas shopping and stuff, so that was just a little bit too much for me at the moment. So I ended up going with the premium box because I really had no interest in like merch or anything like that. I was more interested in makeup, whereas the deluxe box and the ultimate box had the option to get merch in there or ask for like a size. So I knew that you would get some sort of merchandise, and I just had no interest in that. I'm here for the makeup, so I chose to get the smallest box. Now this was $30, like I said, and I did order this on Black Friday, and it took a little over 2 weeks to get here, which that's a little bit different for Jeffree Star. Usually, I usually get my packages within like a week, maybe 2 weeks. So the fact that this was a little bit over, I totally get it, because he was probably slammed with orders and stuff like that, and then the holiday and delay in shipping from that. So I totally get it, which is totally fine with me. As long as I get my box, that's all I care about. So I keep seeing videos of people saying that these were either a ripoff or they just weren't really satisfied with them, and that's why I really wanted to unbox mine, because this really wasn't portrayed to be like a mystery box where they said that every box would be different or anything like that. All it said was they were going to be a mystery box, so you didn't know what you were going to get. You were going to get a value that was more than what you paid, and that's ultimately all that I'm looking at. So no matter what, I'm sure I'm going to be satisfied, because I've been really wanting to indulge more in Jeffree Star Cosmetics, because I already know that I love his lip ammunition. His velour liquid lipsticks are one of my favorite lip formulas of all time. And I have the Beauty Killer palette, and I really like that palette. I just don't really reach for it that much, but I have wanted the blood sugar palette. I really want the alien palette. So I just have a lot of interest in this brand, which is why I felt comfortable enough to spend $30 on a mystery box, because I'm sure I'm going to like at least 2 products in here. And I think that we get 6 pieces in this. Yeah, you get 6 items in this one, you get 10 items in the deluxe box, and then 13 items in the ultimate box. So I still felt like $30 for 6 items was a really good price. So let's just dive right into it, see what I got. So let me just open this up. I haven't opened it or anything. It's still all completely sealed. I'm just using my lash scissors. All right, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. Jeffree Star always packages really nice. He usually has like really cool wrapping paper as well, but it looks like this one just came in pink packaging. So everything just pulls out right in the tissue paper, and then the box will be completely empty, so we can toss that out. The box that it came in is always super cute too. Like, I don't know, I think Jeffree Star Cosmetics is just a really nice brand that really pays attention to like their consumer experience. So I'm not trying to kiss any ass with Jeffree Star or anything like that, but I'm going to be completely honest with my thoughts on this. So the first thing that I got is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics pop socket, which I know I won't use this, so this will go in my giveaway drawer. And anything that I have gotten in this package, I'm going to put in my giveaway drawer if I do not like it. So this pop socket is going to go in there. It just has the Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo on it. I've seen a lot of people have gotten that, which is totally fine. I feel like, honestly, this is going to be a lot of like products that haven't really sold, or they have like a huge amount of stock in, so they're just trying to like get rid of them kind of. And then the next thing is going to be a velour liquid lipstick, and this one I actually already have, so I'm going to save this for, I'm actually not even going to open it. I'm going to keep it right in the box so I can put it right in my giveaway drawer. So this is the velour liquid lipstick in the shade Leo. Let me go grab mine and I'll give you guys a swatch of what it looks like. So this is what the shade Leo looks like. It's more of like a terracotta color. Like I said, I love this liquid lipstick formula, so I'm already really excited the fact that I got a velour liquid lipstick. So this is what the shade looks like. So that is going to go right in my giveaway drawer for one of you guys. So very excited, and I know those retail for like $16 or $18, and I think the pop socket was $10. So already right there, we're at $26 or $28. So we already have our value within 2 products. So the next thing is going to be another velour liquid lipstick in the shade Flamethrower. This is one that I don't personally have. So let's see what it looks like. So this is going to be like a true orange, so I probably won't keep this. I know these are lip and eye safe, so you can use them as like wing liner and stuff like that. I just know that I really won't use this, so I'm actually going to put this in my giveaway drawer as well. So it's just a true orange liquid lipstick. And then the next thing is going to be a lip ammunition in the shade Baby Spice. I think this one's a nude. So the packaging on these is amazing. I already have the shade Celebrity Skin. Oh yeah, this is definitely a shade that I will wear, so I'm going to keep this. This is the shade Baby Spice, and I'll give you guys a swatch of this. This is just like a more like mauvey pink. His lipstick formula is a little bit more dry, which is something that I personally like because it doesn't really move around. Like, I love a creamy lipstick, but I feel like with his formula, once you place it, it does not budge. So I really do love his lipstick formula, so I am going to hang on to this for myself. So I just looked up the price for the lip ammunition. These retail for $18, and so do the liquid lipsticks. So we are well over our value already again. And then the next thing is going to be another velour liquid lipstick in the shade Royalty. This is going to be a true like purple shade, which is another shade that I really won't use. I've purchased his like crazy colors like this before, and I never ever reach for them. So I'm going to put this in my giveaway drawer as well. But again, I love his liquid lipstick formula. And like I said, these are $18 a piece, so we're definitely getting our value there. And then the last thing is going to be a Skin Frost highlighter. This is in the shade Mint Condition. I know I will not use this. It's like that mint green highlighter. So I know I won't use this, so this is another thing that will go in my giveaway drawer. This is like one of those things that I was expecting to get, honestly, because I've seen it in like every box. And this is, to me, one of those shades that probably just hasn't really been selling. So he's probably just trying to get rid of them type of deal. But the retail price on those are $29. So let me add up everything. So we had 18 times 4 items plus $10 for the pop socket plus $29 for the Skin Frost. The value of this box was worth $111. So even though I only kept 1 item, I still would have been happy with the value of the box that I got. It's almost like BoxyCharm. Like BoxyCharm, I pay 20 bucks a month for, and you don't really, well, now you really know what products you're getting, but before you didn't know what products you were getting. I don't know, I don't think this was a ripoff or a scam at all. I think this was a really good value. And even if I didn't have like a YouTube channel or anything like that, I would still be happy with it. So the fact that people are kind of ticked off or, you know, like bad-mouthing the fact that it was a mystery box and all this sort of shit, like, I don't really get it. I think people are just kind of overreacting, but I'm very happy with mine. I am glad that I got the premium because all the other ones that I've watched, like the deluxe and the ultimate box, I'm more happy with what I got. I wish I got the lip liners. That was one thing I was really hoping to see in there. But I'm very happy with it, so that's it for my Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box, and now I need to get ready and then go to dinner. So this will probably be the last thing that you guys see for today. So tomorrow's video is going to be my Boxy Luxe unboxing. I've never gotten it before, so I'm very excited for that too, so it'll be another unboxing. So if you guys are curious about that, make sure you guys tune in tomorrow, and thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, bitches!